What's up, my guys? So welcome to FOREX, the only channel person. So what's up, my guys? So as you understand, wish you all happy new year. So we'll be accepting students from next year 20.
Thank God I can breathe, I can be what they can buy. Even when I'm weak, I'm sure it's gonna be alright.
Yeah, what's up, my guys? So welcome to FOREX, the only channel person into the financial market. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that pops some notifications. So each time I post a video like this, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube can also redirect others who are new to this channel. To our subscriber who believe in us, I want to say a big thank you and a big shout out to you and happy new year in advance. And to those who are just watching and not subscribed, please subscribe. I don't know if we could get to 100 subscribers before new year, and it's just 2 days ahead. So the subscription means a lot to us. You all know that every weekend we discuss here on FOREX about the weekly chart analysis breakdown, where we give a breakdown of the chart. So today I see that we are approaching a new phase of the year and we all are getting going. So I decided to bring a new thing and adding into the weekly chart analysis, which is I'll be giving a breakdown of a price action aspect of trading and how to understand the market is trending up or is trending down. So stick to this video, watch it to the end, and don't forget to drop your comments about what you noticed about this video, so YouTube can easily get this video recommend to others. And if you're looking for a community where you can trade, we're just 20 in number, yes, and we need to run it to 20k by next year. So don't forget to join us, and let's, as you can see, we know that we have different kind of way which as a crypto trader, a stock trader, or a financial trader, which is FOREX. We understand, we all know how to read the chart, and you can just open a chart to a new and just be looking at you. What is this? How do I get idea of this? I just like what my cousin bro told me. Say, bro, what is this? So this is how we are able to understand whether the market is trending up or trending down. What is an uptrend? An uptrend is when the trend is trending up. That is an uptrend. An uptrend is when the market is trending to the upside. Let's take for instance now, like something is from the bottom, like let me just say from zero. To those who understand graph, let me say something is from zero and it's going to 100, that is uptrend. When it's from 100 coming down to zero, that is a downtrend. When it's moving, consolidation, that is what we call consolidation. So how do you understand that the chart is going on? Uptrend is when the market is trending to the upside. Let's take for instance, it start, as I stated earlier, the market start from zero and is trending up. That is an uptrend. And from the chart, how do you determine this uptrend? We determine this uptrend from the following. Let's see for instance now, this is the chart. Sorry. How do you determine this on trend? Let's take for instance, come with me, let me show you. Let's say for instance, and this is the board, yeah, or this is the screen from either from your phone, your laptop, or your TV inside your house. Let's take for instance, this is the chart, yeah. Let's end it. Let's take for instance, let's end it here. Let's say, how do you understand the chart? This previous high, this is the previous high, and this is the previous low. What does it state when you're trading an uptrend? Like let's say for instance you are trading an uptrend. That's when you'll be seeing something like H, early H. H is simply identified as higher high, while LH simply means lower high. So that is vice versa when we are talking about downtrend. But since we are talking about since we are talking about the uptrend, we are discussing about the higher high and the lower high. So this first candle now, let's take one. This is the first rejection from the market. This is the higher. This is the HH. That means it's trending up higher high. How do you confirm? How did you confirm this higher high? You confirm the higher high when the other rejection, when the other impulsive is higher than the previous high. Let's say for this one is higher than this, and this low is lower than the previous low. So that is how we get a confirmation about the trend. Let's say for instance, it got to this zone now. Immediately got to this zone, this previous high is higher than this higher high. So it's simply telling you that the market is trending up, and this low now, this low is previously lower than the lower low. So it gives us an identification of where the market is trending to. Let's take for instance now, this is what we call the higher high, HH. This is what we call the lower high. You can identify it. So this high is higher than this high. This high is higher than this high is higher than this. This low is lower than this. This high is higher than this. This low is lower than this. So forth and so on. This is how you could be able to identify. Like this, just a simple analysis. You could be able to identify either the market is trending up, or either the market is going up or is going down. So that is an uptrend. Another name for another thing for uptrend. Another thing for uptrend. Another thing for uptrend is bullish. Bullish simply means boom, is going up. That is another acronym for uptrend. Yeah. So let's say for instance, somebody just send you a signal and say, let's say for instance, Bitcoin is a common thing, or I don't know how to put the terms there. Is an easy and common thing that everybody on the street understand. Let's say for instance, somebody just say, we are in bullish in Bitcoin. What is this saying? It's saying that the Bitcoin is in an uptrend direction. So let's buy. Buy simply categorically states about the uptrend. So you can see now, this is just a simple way of understanding the market structure, like how the market behave, how to understand the higher high and how to understand the lower high. So this is how it is. There's nothing more to it. What's up, my guys? We have uptrend, we have downtrend. Yeah, when I'm talking about chart patterns. So downtrend is when the market is moving towards the down direction. Let's say for instance, something is moving from 100 to 0. That is downtrend. So let's quickly do about the charts now. Let's quickly do about the chart. Let's quickly do about the chart. What did you see here? This is an image of a downtrend. Call it bearish. Call it sell, and so forth, so on. So this is a lower high. Yeah, now you can see this previous low is lower than the previous low. You can see the difference now. This previous low is lower than this low. So this one will now become This will now become a lower low, no, a higher low, lower low, higher low, LL. As I stated before, LH simply means lower high. LL simply states lower low. So that is how the integral of the features of the market is being characterized. If we're in an uptrend, it's creating a higher low. If we're in a downtrend, it's creating a lower low. That is how the market move. If you want to see the scenario like this, like you want to understand if I am just blabbling or I'm just stating the facts, I want you as a trader, carry your phone, go to your Google's Play Store or your iOS for those who are using iPhone. Get MT4, MT5, sit down, watch this video bit by bit. You'll be understanding that the market is doing nothing. The only thing it's doing is we have higher high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So that is how the whole scenario of the market is moving. So when we are also talking, let's say for instance, this is 100, this one is 0. Let's say for instance, this is a chart now. What are we expecting to be looking for here? We are be looking to sell because the market is trending downward. You can see where the previous high, where the high is trending upward. So that is how the market move as a trend. Downtrend is when the market is moving toward the down direction. I don't need to be speaking forex terminology because I have been receiving some complaint that we have people who are just trying to watch, understand the basis of forex. Like some of my terminology are big. So that is how we are be break it down. So let's say for instance, your mentor or somebody just tell you, we are going to be selling EU for today. What does it mean? It's simply telling you that we are going the EU trade Euro USD is on a downtrend. So in order to look for this, you're going to be waiting for the next higher low, then you sell. So that is how markets move. We have the impulsive, we have the correction. So we're not going to be talking about that today, but I'm just trying to make you guys refresh your brain for today. So this is a lower high, a lower low. So when the market is moving from 100 to 0, that is a downtrend. When it's moving from 0 to 100, that is an uptrend. So in talking about uptrend, downtrend, we also have the consolidation part, or what we call the range. So let's quickly deal with that without wasting much of your time. As you guys insist, we'll be talking about the consolidation, which is the last part of the chart. So let me quickly consolidation is when the market is moving without any clear direction. Either uptrend, either uptrend and downtrend. What's good, my guys? So what is the last part, which is consolidation? What is consolidation? I say consolidation is when the market is moving without any clear direction, either uptrend. If it's going uptrend, that's a clear direction. If it's going downtrend, that's a clear direction. But when it is consolidating, that is not a clear direction. So during this period of holiday, Christmas, New Year, New Year, is it only that? No. We have the Thanksgiving Day in America. The market always consolidate. So that is why I dropped that video. If you not watch that video, when I talk about the pair you should be trading during the holiday period, so you go watch it. So what are we going to be talking? Let's check about the consolidation. Can you see? This is a consolidation. To those who use flag, this is a consolidation pattern. To those who use flag pattern, they can understand. Some will be waiting it for it to break out. Some will be waiting for it to break low. So waiting for it to either to break or to break. So what are we expecting here? We're not expecting to trade. So the market is just consolidating. So the market is just consolidating. That is when you ask your mentor, why are you not trading today? They say, I've not seen a clear direction. A clear direction simply states that either the market is moving an uptrend, either it's buying or a downtrend, which is selling. So, but when the market is consolidating, you will just be seeing it. This one is not higher than this. This one is not lower than this. This one is not lower than this. This one is not higher than this. This one is not lower than this. This one is not higher than this one. You can see the jack there. So that is when you understand consolidation. It's not higher than the previous high. It's not lower than the previous low. So that is when consolidation come in. And during consolidation, some strategy are not meant to be traded that day, but to those who traded support and resistance, or S and D, which is supply and demand, because in every buy there is a sell, and in every sell there is a buy. So that is when it come in. So let me quickly chip in the support and resistance. Yeah, the support guys, and this is this is a clear resistance and this is a clear support. I know a video will be coming in probably next year, and I just want this should be our next video. This will be our last video for the year. So when it comes to this zone, this support, this resistance guy is expecting this price to come to this zone, and its stop loss will be a little bit on this zone. So when it comes to this zone now, that support, that resistance guy is supposed to be buying, and its still will be here. So that is how consolidating big trading. Please to those who are just watching, please, your subscription means a lot to us. Share this video to as many, to your group, and don't forget to subscribe. I wish you all happy new year, and 2025 is going to be a great year in Pro Forex Academy. So we'll be accepting students from next year 2025. So prepare your mind, prepare everything. Subscribe, stick to this YouTube channel, and watch us go. We'll be documenting our day-to-day activities trading the FX market. Follow me on Instagram or Snapchat also, and on Twitter. Peace. I love you guys. Woo!